Hey guys, DBest1A here again, and I am actually in the process of taking off my front tire. I actually have a slight I have a slow leak, I believe caused by the bead on the other side. Actually, I know it's from the bead because I tested it with some soapy water the other night. Little tip that Sean Smoke gave me. Just with some soapy water, and would see it would bubble up and foam up over here. Ever since I did this plasti dip stuff, I've had nothing but issues with the bead in my tire and a few other things. Mainly just that. I've kind of gotten it down somewhat, but I'm just gonna try and see if I can get it sealed and fixed this time. It usually doesn't take me too long to get my tire off the front. Actually, it doesn't always really take long. I usually get it done in a somewhat of a decent fashion. And I'll probably end up skipping ahead for the most part, but you get the idea. Harbor Freight tool. Gotta love it. Expands. It expands from Pittsburgh. Expands out. Expands back in. I've put it through some crap. It's always worked great. Got that. Just loosen. Spacer on the other side. I'll have to put some lube on that. I guess that's what I see some of you guys do.